Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid, just going to dive into XRP. Once again, thank you for support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid crew. So right now, I think that XRP is potentially caught in a descending triangle. I think that we've got a bearish statement from XRP because we've broken down out of this potential flag just there. We've come up to resistance, which was previous support, confirmed it as resistance, and right now we're breaking down again. So I'm looking for levels of resistance and support. I'm going to show you a potential trade setup. If you're not already in a trade for XRP, I will be looking to short this level of resistance as a retest if it comes in, okay? So right now, we've got a massive, if we take a look at this, huge level of resistance, and then what happened was we came down, we lost it, and we've come back up and turned this previous leg of support just here into resistance. So we're confirming this breakdown, coming to the resistance, and we look as though we're rolling again. So, you know, I wish I could tell you exactly what it's going to do, but I can't. It's all about support and resistance. Now, this particular breakdown, this is a big triple top descending triangle. Look at this. One, I've got the wrong thing there, I do apologize. We've got the 1, the 2, and the 3 points of contact. Like I said to you, we've got the 1, the 2, the 3 points of contact, boom, broke down, okay? And again, we've got the 1, the 2, and the 3 points of contact in this channel. You've got the 1, 2, 3 points of contact in the channel before you've broken down. Okay, so I always look for a minimal resistance and support. I always look for 3 points of contact before confirming the pattern. I've taught you this, okay? And just there, we've got the breakdown, and this has a target. Obviously, you've got the support in the middle just there, but from this high, let me get this in for you, from there all the way down to the support, you can clearly see that once that low was lost just there, you came down and you met the technical target of the big triple top descending triangle, okay? So what we're looking for going forward is to obviously hold these lows from June, start to come back up and carve out a larger ascending triangle, a big massive reversal pattern without losing the lows. But one thing we're looking for here is for XRP to start to come back up and take out this level of resistance, you know, confirming that this isn't some kind of impulsive wave 1, there's some kind of corrective wave 2, big massive wave 3, this is a wave 4 into the rules of Elliott wave that it can't retrace any deeper or higher than wave 1, and then this would not be a wave 5 coming back down, okay? So we need to gate that by starting to come back up and taking out that yellow line and closing above it. This is what I said to you. But right now that is acted as key resistance, and what we're doing here is pretty much similar to this particular pattern, this big triple top descending triangle pattern, a series of lower highs, boom, breaking down. We are creating a very similar pattern as well as falling out of this particular beautiful channel. Do you see that? So this is quite a bearish statement from XRP. We need to pay attention to this just here. So from here right now, we are creating some kind of triple top, potential double top pattern, descending triangle. So what I'm going to do is drop a trend line in there, resistance, and you've got a level of support just there. Let me drop a horizontal line in just there, okay, for XRP. So that's your support. I think that if we start to see XRP close below that, you could confirm a descending triangle, a double top pattern breakdown from there all the way down. If it's, and it is a big if as well, because obviously there's no guarantees, it can actually come up and break this resistance. So a really bullish statement for me for XRP is to come up and take out this white line here, okay? And obviously I can't tell you exactly what that is because it's descending, you know, and it's constantly changing. So this is why you need to come to your charts and draw your trend lines, okay? A bullish statement would be to come up and break this resistance right now and take out these highs. But the minute it looks as though what you've got is some kind of retracement and then a lower high and a potential, if this starts to come up into this resistance, this could equally be another third lower high, and then you've got your 3 points of contact in a descending triangle. You've got one there, potentially bounce off that, come back up. This could be a really good short opportunity for you on Bybit, because from there, if this thing gets rejected wherever it is at the time of a trend line, you could go short with your stop loss on the previous swing high, like I've said to you, and then you could ride it all the way down to the technical target, which would be a 13% correction, okay, and a big correction right there for XRP. So that's basically XRP. This looks like some kind of descending triangle at the moment, kind of bearish pattern, but time will tell. Obviously, if we come up and break that white line, that's bullish, and I will be looking for retracement to that line. Okay, this is why you always apply stop loss, but if we come up and get rejected, that could be an amazing opportunity to go short with your stop on that previous swing high, which is, and I'll give that to you as well actually whilst I'm here, I'll give that to you. That high is that. So that would be my stop loss. So keep an eye on your charts. Come to your charts, draw trend lines, okay? This is your key support. Lose that, you've got a short, and your technical target at a bare minimum would be 03424. So again, a lot of traders, they wait for the loss of support before going short, but I always try and find the optimal entry points. That's at 9.4% short. right there for XRP, but I was trying to find the optimal entry points for you. So what I'm looking at, a potential retracement back up into this resistance, okay, of a potential descending triangle, which is a bearish pattern, resistance, resistance, third point of contact, resistance, and breakdown. Now if it does come up and we get resistance around about that mark, around about 0.3979, then we could be looking at a beautiful short opportunity with really tight stop loss of even more appreciation. Do you understand? And that's basically trading the ranges. So you can do all this on buy bit or bit, gets entirely up to you. You can go long, you can go short. I always try and find and identify resistance and support for you and technical patterns, but right now, you know, for me, we have got a bit of a bearish statement because we're losing this channel. Okay, so it looks as though we're breaking down, we're into resistance, we might come down, bounce, come up, get really compressed in here, but the damage will be done, and we'll be confirming this big descending triangle, triple top pattern, you know, double top pattern, whatever you want to call it, and we'll be looking at minimal target 0.3424, where you might get a bounce, okay, but I think the damage could already be done, the fact that this is beginning to look impulsive to the downside for XRP right there. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Take care everyone, back to another update on XRP. Bye bye.